In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on WordPress.com. If you spend hours looking at a screen, sometimes it can be a bit harsh on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. So let's make your browsing experience a little easier by enabling dark mode on your WordPress site. This way, you'll have a more comfortable user experience both for yourself and your visitors. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to WordPress.com on your preferred web browser. Once there, click on the Login button to access your account. Enter your login credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, you will see the heart of your WordPress site, including settings, posts, pages, and other exciting features. Your next step is to head over to the local host path, specifically to the WP admin directory. This is the admin dashboard panel for your WordPress installation. Here you'll find several menu options on the left-hand side to control various aspects of your site. In this case, you'll want to focus on the Plugins section. Click on it, and this will take you to a page listing all your currently installed plugins. Now, to add a new plugin, click on the Add New button. In the search bar that appears, type WP Dark Mode. This is the plugin we'll be using today to enable dark mode on your site. You'll see the plugin listed in the search results. When you find it, click the Install Now button next to it. Wait for the installation process to complete, which should only take a moment. After it's installed, the button will change to give you the option to activate the plugin. Click Activate to enable WP Dark Mode on your site. Activation is an essential step because it initiates the plugin to function within your WordPress environment. Once activated, locate WP Dark Mode in your admin dashboard. You'll usually find it in the top right section under the Settings or Appearance menus. Click on it to open the WP Dark Mode settings. Here, you will find a variety of customization options. You can select the specific dark mode color palette that you'd like to apply to your site. Choose the one that suits your style or offers the best visual comfort. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on your WordPress site, providing a more accessible and eye-friendly interface for both you and your visitors. This adjustment is great for nighttime readers or anyone who prefers a sleek, dark-themed website. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.